Hey, Chris McTaggart here with Building Efficiency Resources. I'm out doing QA as well as provisional rater field mentorship at an apartment complex. And what we have here for ventilation is kind of a new, unique situation. It's a whole building ERV. And a lot of raters go, I don't know what to do with a whole building ERV. How do I test that? We've got supply air coming in to the unit, basically, right above the entryway. And, the rater does not have a powered flow hood. And they didn't bring a garbage bag either. Those are really the two tools that in the Resnet 380 standard are referenced for supply-based measurements. So you can either have a 10-cent garbage bag, but you have to look like a 10-cent professional doing it. Or you have to have a $3,000 powered flow hood. Nothing in between, right? Well, I kind of gave this provisional rater a little bit of a pro tip. In my professional experience, the exhaust fan flow meter, despite it being called an exhaust-based system, so seemingly only for testing ventilation inlets or exhaust-based measurements, despite the fact that that is supposedly the only thing that it can be used for, my professional experience is that when you're dealing with relatively low flows, anything really around, say, 35 or 50 or less, you can get a perfectly accurate measurement on a supply basis with this tool. Once you start exceeding 50 CFM, then yeah, the back pressure that's caused by the supply air pressurizing the box will likely exaggerate the results that you're going to get. So in order to test this, we ended up running the test, and we got 41 CFM of supply air. Now, to be fair, how you orient the box to the duct opening, whether or not it is parallel or perpendicular, it can actually impact the results. So you have to be cautious about that. You want to create a pressure environment in the box. You don't want the flow to just, basically go right out the hole, more or less, or else you're probably not going to get an accurate result. My experience, though, is that this is the exact same issue if you're doing an exhaust-based measurement. How you orient the box can actually affect the test result. Anyways, we got 41 CFM. But again, TEC, the manufacturer even says, it's not acceptable to use this tool for a supply-based measurement. So, what else could we possibly do? We don't have a power flow hood, except we do. It's called the duct blaster. This is a standard duct blaster system that every rater has. And what we did is that we took a cardboard surround, taped over the supply opening, fished our channel A input hose so that it rained down into the duct so that it's not directly in the middle of the airflow, but it kind of it's almost like we created a box with the flex duct. And we set up our duct blaster to do duct depressurization testing. We observed a positive pressure, which is what we should expect when we're testing a supply, and we equalize the pressure. It's kind of just like doing a duct leakage outside test if you've never done it before. We want to get to double zero on the supply side, and if we look in closer, we can see when running this test, we got 41 CFM with a powered flow hood, which was the same result that we got with our exhaust fan flow meter. So, Chris McTaggart here to say, sometimes you just got to improvise, and we can still get good quality results. The science proved it.